Hi friend, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today I'll be doing analysis on Radium. Radium has been showing a sign of bottom for several sections, and this is an opportunity to join this movement before it's too late. When you look at the chart from the left side, you will see that Radium has this reversal bar above the 200-day moving average, and that causes the price to range for several periods before it finally had another reversal bar on the 200-day moving average, which sent the price downward towards its support zone. The price was so drastic that it hit a very low price, and on this particular bar the buyer step in, they push the price upward, close it near its peak, which stopped the downward correction. After this occurred, there was a little sideways trading between buyers and the sellers, and suddenly the buyers add more to their strength. They push the price upward. It rallied up towards the 200-day moving average. It even break above it, but it finally closed underneath the 200-day moving average, which shows that it couldn't follow through. Then sellers come in with a reversal volume, send the price downward a bit towards the support zone. And when the price range, it has this reversal bar which traded towards the downside of the support zone, and it finally rise upward and close to its peak. As the price close towards its peak and the volume is above average volume a little, that's a very good indication that the buyers are adding more to their position and they are adding more strength to the bull side. Then the price range for several period, about 6 section, and after the price range for 6 section, suddenly the buyers come in with full force and a show of strength, which send the price upward drastically, and it launched a very explosive volume, which shows that the buyers have finally come back and they've resumed the uptrend from Radium. I want you to look at this pattern that has occurred on the larger scale. From this particular bar, when the price keeps dropping to the downside, when you look at the chart, you will see that all these volumes, they are below average volume. Very little, 1 and 2 are above the average volume. The remaining volumes are below average volume. What this is telling us is that while the price is dropping and the volume are also below average volume, it's telling us that the sellers are selling, but they are getting weaker section by section and they are losing a lot of strength. And when you see such activity, you only need just small number of buyers to come in and they overpower the sellers and push the price upward. The buyers try to resist the pressure here and push the price upward, but because the price is underneath the 200-day moving average, it couldn't follow through. And on this particular zone, the price was also trading in sideways market, and the volume was also a low volume. Several volumes too were below the average volume. That's a very good indication. And we just have buyers showing a strength on this particular bar, and they've sent the price upward, which overpower all the bars that are trading sideways ranges and all the selling bars that occurred earlier. With this type of action, it's telling us that the rally has just begun, and it's always good to start at the starting point when the rally began, with the professional traders showing lot volume and lot of strength. When one starts alongside with them, you are on the safe side because you are trading with the institution. Let me zoom out and let's see what happened in big picture. When you look at the chart from the left bottom side, you see that that's when the market bottom, and after this bottom the market rally up a bit, and the rally couldn't sustain above the 200-day moving average, and it's now have a sideways trading for extended period of time, and finally the 200-day moving average hit the price. It sent it downwards to the support zone, and there was a little back and forth price movement from the buyers and sellers, but at the moment the buyers have finally gained control of the price with a very explosive volume and a huge bar, sending the price upward above the 200-day moving average. Let me now see what's going to happen from here. When you look at the price for extended period of time, you will see that radium has been in a downward trend for so long, and that has weakened a lot of sellers that are selling this particular coin. And as the buyers are now coming to the table with a show of force and full volume, it's telling us that something good is happening in radium at the moment, because it has one leg bottom, it also has the second leg on this bar, and finally it has traded above the 200-day moving average, which has confirmed that it's now going upward. Our final position where we are going to add to our position is this prior resistance. Once radium finally rise to this particular price and break above it, we will know that the uptrend has resumed in radium, which will become an opportunity to add more to our position. When you look at the chart at the bottom, you can see all the skyscraper volume. They are in blue. The first one, the second one, and we have about 3 blue bars here, which are above average volume and skyscraper volume. All what these are telling us is that buyers are showing interest and they are coming in at critical levels. But this is the levels that finally confirm that they've gained control of the price, and they are now expecting to push the price upward, which will let us know that the rally have continued in radium. If this analysis really helped you, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like the video, paste your question in the comment section. I'll see you in the next analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.